any grower will side with me that we are always finding solutions to problems because there are always problems. Hey guys, Darin here with GrowGlide. Another topic I wanted to touch on with our racks is the electrical and the ease of use and the ease of installation of electrical. So in my past, I was always a do-it-yourselfer. So installations, electrical, plumbing, all this stuff was always taken into thought when I was designing these racks. So when we came to electrical, first thing I thought was, I want everything to be low profile, super clean. I want everything to be tucked. I don't want things to be out and exposed. So what we went ahead and did is we went ahead and we have holes lasered out on all of our beams and brackets. So we have zip tie connection points, tie off points at all given times. This particular client went ahead and mounted their boxes right here. As you can see, there's plenty of room, plenty of clearance. So they were able to get the J boxes here, no obstructions, and they're able to take their MC cable, zip tie off points, and because of our overbuilt uprights, they're able to justify opening up the hole a little bit more and tucking all the conduit in all of our uprights. So that's definitely a perk in having an overbuilt system, is because we're able to tuck and hide all these things and do really clean installs and at the same time protect our electrical. The last thing we want is issues with that. So again, that's the joy of being able to design a rack with a grower in mind. This rack is easily built with that in mind, and that's what we did. So at any given point, we have tie-off points, we have hole punches, makes installations very easy. And again, we like things to be clean, so we gave it every opportunity for the installers to do a knockout job and do a really clean install. Anything that can help the grow as a whole, I wanted to provide as much as I could for that. It's always nice to have solutions, and again, any grower will side with me that we are always finding solutions to problems because there are always problems. So the less solutions that you have to find because of the system that you're using, the better the system is. So when it comes to comparing us to our competition, it's pretty easy to see that we had everything in mind. We had plumbing in mind, electrical in mind. When you're looking at my competition, they're racks that they put a plastic tray on, now they're for growing. There's no innovation, there's no vision in what's going to happen to these racks once we leave the facility. And when I designed these, that's all I had in mind was, when the next guy comes in, how are they going to see the racks and how are they going to be able to do a nice clean job? I talk to my electricians and the plumbers, and I'm always asking them, like, what do you guys think? How do you like it? I want everybody to come in here and use this thing and be like, wow, not only does it look really clean, it really works well, and it's absolutely purpose built, and it's doing exactly what we need it to do, and it makes our job very easy, and the outcome is, as you see, very clean.